Welcome back to another Nerf Blaster reviews on Masters of Blasters. And today's blaster we're going to review is the Nerf Elite Retaliator. And I don't have the grip, but that doesn't matter. It looks cool like this. So yeah, this is basically an elite version of the Recon CS6. It's you prime it like this. Holds a magazine. I put the 12 round. I'll do that. It's spring powered and it has like a little flip up sight. And it has tactical rails over here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the whole blaster. I'm gonna take off the stock so you see how it looks like that. And then I'm gonna put the stock on back and I'm gonna take the barrel off. Jeez, that's hard. It's hard to take off. So there's it without the barrel and without the whole thing, which is just the main gun. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back on. I'm never taking the barrel off again because it's super hard. So yeah, there's the Retaliator, spring-powered, elite version of what's it called, Recon. And plus now I know that elite guns are direct plungers. So basically most of the strike guns are reverse plunger. So yeah, we're gonna go test it at the testing range, like always see. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot the Retaliator.
Get in front of it. I'll film you.
Alright, film me. Okay, ready?
Okay, go.
Oh!
Wow!
Whoa! Whoa!
My turn.
Yeah, one more. Whoa! Okay, your turn. I'll film you. Okay, ready? What? Okay, ready? No, it's not primed. Ooh. Ooh! Oh, what happened? Oh. Ooh! Oh, no!
Wait for the camera. Come on, no.
So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it for the review of the Nerf Elite Retaliator. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.